When you type in a web URL into your browser and hit enter, something fascinating happens behind the scene. Your computer, known as the client, starts up a conversation with another computer located somewhere remotely in the world, and that computer is the server. And the crazy part, this happens in just milliseconds. In this video, I'll try to break down everything in simple terms so you can finally understand how the web works. The whole point of client-server model is communication. You can think of it like sending letter in the mail, or even like your typical WhatsApp chat. First, you type in a URL, but the computer doesn't understand text, literal text like your domain names. They only understand numbers, and in this case, the IP addresses. To help navigate this, the browser first talks to a system called the DNS, otherwise known as the domain name service, to help convert the name into an appropriate IP address. I would like you to imagine a DNS as the phone book for the internet, containing all the contact names and their numbers. Next up, the browser performs a quick handshake, otherwise called the request pre-flight, with the actual server after knowing who to talk to with the help of the DNS. Like introducing yourself to someone before an actual conversation. The front end, what you see on your screen, is the part that sends the request. The backend, which is the server and sometimes the database, does the actual heavy lifting, like fetching data and running business logics. Simply put, front end asks, backend answers. An HTTP request might look like get homepage. The server replies with a status code like 200, which basically means OK, plus the HTML that builds the web page. Every click, scroll, or search you do online involves these little requests and responses flying back and forth. When your app, for instance, asks for weather data, sends a message or posts something online, it's literally just making a request via an API. You can think of an API as a clear set rules or contracts that defines how different apps like your front end and your back end should interact. And that's client-server model in action. Every time you open a website, this dance of requests and responses happens in milliseconds. If this helps you have a better understanding of how the web works, don't forget to hit like and let me know in the comment below what topic you'd like me to break down next. Till then, bye for now.